Hi, Manny from WebMyMoney, and this is another video for the GoHighLevel series. So, in this case, I will be demonstrating how to use IVR to route to different AI agents. So, one of the first challenges was an agent right now, as of now, can only serve in one language, as you can see. All right. So, what we need to do is, let's say we have our AI already established in English, and we need to clone it or duplicate it and then just go here, right? And then change to Spanish from English, and then put the initial message. Okay. The rest you can keep in English. Okay. And then you can just add, hey, you speak Spanish. Uh, the rest, okay, you need a new number assigned. Okay. So let's give a rundown on how it actually works in real time. So let's call the number.
Thank you for calling Strong Tower 4. For English, press 1. Para español, presione 2. Thank you for calling Strong Tower.
So you see, I have for English press one and for Spanish press two.
Thanks for calling Strong Tower Pool Cleaning Services Orlando. To schedule your free appointment, say appointment. For example,
And you can see after the IVR call is directed, then an AI answers it. So you can say for English, press one, and then for Spanish, press two. So again, I have my two agents here, okay? And in this case, I need multiple numbers. So I need the first number, which is the IVR, then a second number for to assign to the English AI sales agent, and then a third number to assign to the Spanish AI sales agent. Uh, and then a fourth number if you want to redirect to our representative, and then, of course, record that call. We won't be covering this one as of now in this video, but I will probably make one later down. So as you can see, you need to first buy the three initial phone numbers, right? So the IVR one, then the Spanish, and then the English one. Okay. Then we set up our voice agents, like we mentioned. Okay, one for English and then one for Spanish. So then you go into each one, and then in phone availability, you select the respective phone numbers. So as you can see, right, in the phone number, you just want to verify the English one is the correct one. So 6125 and 6125. That's perfect in the English one. Now we go back to the Spanish one and make sure the phone number is also correct. So it ends up in 7598. And then you can see 7598 Spanish sales AI. Oh, and I want to mention when you buy your numbers, make sure to name your number correctly. Okay. And yeah, as you can see, in the regular sales, this is what I have on the settings. Okay. And then for the IVR, this is what I have. Okay. So once you set up the automation, it won't matter anymore. So let's dive into that, okay? So let's go to my automation right here. IVR routing, English with Spanish. So again, right in here, I look for the start IVR trigger. And then in phone number, I select the IVR one, okay? That is why it is important to name the numbers. So again, which one is the IVR one? Okay, the one that ends in 4286. So 4286, it's verified. Perfect. So now I have to add an action called gather input on call, IVR. So this one allows to input information via keypad. And what I did is just add an audio file, which you can hear. Thank you for calling Strong Tower 2. For English, press 1. Para español, presione 2. So what it really says is just thank you for calling. For English, press 1. And then for Spanish, press 2. Okay. So then I have to add. Uh, Actually, you can keep this number of loops. You can ignore. That is just how many times the audio file is going to get played. So let's put it to one. I was just testing that. And then in here, you have to have the match conditions on. And then, of course, you put English, the branch name, and then that's when you press one. And then in Spanish, that's when you press two. Okay, and that's it. I didn't change anything here. Probably just put 10 seconds so they have more time in order to pull up the keypad. And that's it. I save the action. Okay. So this is the key, right? I can connect the call to a custom number. I do not select here. I just go to custom number. Okay. And I go and grab the number, right? So in this case, I want for English one. Then I grab the English sales AI number, and that's what I paste here. Okay. And then for the Spanish version, I just do the same. Okay. And yeah. So you copy the Spanish number and paste it here. Okay. And then you save your action and make sure it's on, right? So as you can see, while I was calling right now, right, um, I got directed to English since I pressed one. So you can see manual, press one, and yeah, selected input one, and then I got redirected to the English AI. So that's pretty much it. In the beginning, it looks kind of intimidating, but that's how you really pull it off. So there's probably a better way, but I haven't found anything to this extent. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Uh, Thank you. Oh yeah, and one more thing before I go, you can see that the possibilities are endless now with IVR. It serves as a starting point. So maybe you say, hey, for English press one, for Spanish press two, and then once someone press one for English, then you can say, hey, are you a new customer? Press one, and then if you are a new customer, then it can get redirected to the English sales AI. But maybe if you say, hey, for existing customers and you need support, press two. You can also configure an AI for support specific troubleshooting. So you would just need to set up additional knowledge base, of course, for support and tweak your voice AI instructions. So yeah, that's a little bit that I won't cover here, but that is just to give you the next level. So if you like this video, subscribe. I don't have any fancy background or any of that, so I'm just here because I know this is not outside, and yeah, I wanted uh, to help someone. So please support, and if you ever need something, just shoot us an email or go to our website, webmymoney.com, and we can help you scale your business. So thank you.